In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys and Data Services, and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, select any password that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!